upholding the idea of embracing something new, and with wholehearted support from Majid Dabri Tea Estate, we intend to introduce certificate course in tea management from the session 2026-27. The college was established in the year 2007 with the dream of a brighter future and a tomorrow replete with value education. It aims at creating a platform that would be conducive to fulfill its march towards excellence. It aims to equip and empower students with relevant domain knowledge, competence, and creativity to meet the challenges the world would throw at them. The motive to impart education to students led to the establishment of Alipurdwar Mahila Mahavidyalaya, with the belief in the assertion that education is a weapon of liberty. We believe in instilling a sense of dynamism and urgency in the various academic and non-academic affairs pertaining to the activities of the college. We also uphold the principle of unity in diversity. The college believes in appreciation of heterogeneity and multiculturalism.
Out-of-the-box thinking and treading on the paths still untrodden have become two major characteristics of Alipurdwar Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Organizing seminars and conferences is a regular feature of our college. This provides us the opportunity for interaction, knowledge sharing, and creates a platform for intellectual exchange. In these 2 decades, we have tried to fulfill our mission to the greatest extent. Our girls have proved their merit not only in academics but also in sports and cultural activities. They have outshone themselves in district and state level tournaments. NSS is another important wing of our college which makes sure that students understand social values and norms.
A tea management course holds great importance in Alipurdwar, a region widely known for its extensive tea gardens and strong connection to the tea industry. Since tea cultivation is one of the primary sources of livelihood in this area, professional education in tea management equips students with scientific knowledge and practical skills required for the sustainable development of the sector. In Alipurdwar, where many tea estates operate, a tea management course creates opportunities for local youth to build careers as estate managers, supervisors, quality controllers, and entrepreneurs. It reduces dependence on external experts and promotes self-reliance within the region. Moreover, trained professionals can introduce modern and sustainable practices that increase productivity while protecting the environment. In order to address the need of time, Alipurdwar Mahila Mahavidyalaya, in collaboration with Majid Dabri Tea Estate, intends to introduce a certificate course in tea management from the session 2026-27. Such a course would provide training in plantation management, soil science, pest and disease control, irrigation techniques, pruning methods, and quality control. It would also cover factory operations, processing techniques, packaging, marketing, and export management. By combining theoretical knowledge with field experience, students would gain a comprehensive understanding of both agricultural and business aspects of tea production. This course is open to both boys and girls. It also ensures 100% placement assistance. The admission timeline is as follows. The application process would begin from 7th of March 2026. The last date of application would be 30th of April 2026. We intend to begin classes from 4th of July 2026. Classes will be held on Saturdays and Sundays every week from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. The course includes practical training along with theoretical knowledge, and we look forward to welcoming all the learners and also wish them a prosperous future ahead.